a clean shot with a left hook. Right hand.
Hey, what's up? This is Milan El Metrico Melindo, a former IBF light flyweight world champion. Welcome to Wonder Nunoy.
Milan Melindo, born February 29, 1988, in Cagayan de Oro, Philippines, is a Filipino professional boxer known for his technical skill and precision. He held the IBF and IBO light flyweight titles in 2017 and previously challenged for major world titles in the flyweight and light flyweight divisions between 2013 and 2018. Melindo's passion for boxing began at age 6, inspired and trained by his father. Initially a hobby, boxing later became his means to secure a scholarship and support his family. He eventually pursued it professionally, maintaining an early unbeaten streak. Though not known for knockout power, recording only 13 KOs in 37 wins, Melindo was a standout talent at the now-defunct ALA gym. He is celebrated for his quick combinations and signature double left hook, which made him one of the most skilled Filipino boxers of his generation.
Champion Milan El Metrico Melindo!
Welcome to MMBA Milan Melindo Boxing Academy. So katong ganahan, no? Sa lahat ng gusto na matuto mag-boxing, meron tayong subscription doon to learn the sweet science of boxing. 99 pesos only for monthly subscription. Bye!
Ayun. Isa yan sa mga magaling na boxing ngayong Pilipino natin dito sa ating bansa.
Shout out din sa mga pana.
Kung ganahan mo magprinda ang motor o sakyanan, doon lang mo sa MK Pawn Shop dito sa Agos, Ibabaw, Lapu-Lapu. We have also a branch in Danbantayan. So let's hustle na ta. 5 minutes, release din the cash. Sa magkasabot lang, PM lang sa MK Online Pawn Shop. Anytime, motor o sakyanan, release din sa cash kung magkasabot. Thank you.